Sometimes, people come into our lives at the moment we need them the most, and just as suddenly, they have to leave. At that point, instead of drowning in sorrow, we should be grateful. Grateful that the universe sent them to us when we needed them the most. Not everyone is meant to stay forever, but the time we shared, the memories we created, that is ours to keep. People often think love is something you receive, but I believe it's something you carry within your heart. Love is something you offer to others without expectations.